In a surprising turn of events, vendors along 5th Avenue in Bulawayo have been allowed to return to their selling spots, seemingly fulfilling a promise made by President Mnangagwa during last year's election campaign. The vendors, who were previously removed by the Bulawayo City Council, had their goods seized, have been selling their wares without interference since last month. This development comes as a surprise to many, given the council's previous efforts to clear the area. Mnangagwa's promise to the vendors was seen as a key campaign pledge aimed at winning over the support of Bulawayo residents who have historically voted against the ruling ZANU-PF party. The move is seen as a significant delivery on a campaign promise and may be a sign of Mnangagwa's commitment to following through on his commitments. The vendors' return has brought relief to many who rely on street selling as a means of survival. While some have questioned the timing and motivations behind the move, many are celebrating the victory and hoping it marks a new era of cooperation between the city council and informal traders in Bulawayo.